Do y'all remember Jack in the Box? You know how you like wind and wind? It's like pop, it's a giveaway. But would it be a Sophie Chanel video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Yes, you guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanel, and I'm back with another hair review. Thank you guys so much for all of the love and support over these past couple of months that I've been here on YouTube. I've really been enjoying this platform, been enjoying you. You guys don't know how much you've really blessed me. And so I'm coming to you with a giveaway today. This giveaway will feature 3 winners, and this will be one of the units that will be given away. It is a human hair headband unit, and this is the water wave texture, and the texture is so pretty, you guys. I love it. So yes, all of the details about the giveaway will be in the description box and at the end of this video, so make sure you read and watch from beginning to end. Yes. Otherwise, all of the details and the specs about this unit will be in the voiceover. Super short video today. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go ahead and see how I got into this unit. Okay, so today's headband unit comes from Amazon vendor WENYU. This is the water wave unit in 14 inches. And so this unit did come with 2 headbands. They both had like the paisley print on them. And this unit had the 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It does have a stretchy cap along with the headband that connects via Velcro. At the time that I purchased this unit was going for $54.33, which is very affordable for a human hair unit. The density of this unit, she looks not too dense here, but once you brush through her, she fluffs up, if that makes sense. This unit kind of gives me Jerry curl vibes, but a little bit looser and a little bit drier. I did co-wash this unit and let it air dry, and I didn't brush the curls out. I wanted you to see the natural definition of the curls in this unit, so I'm giving you all of the different angles here. And we're just going to go ahead and put on one of those headbands, and actually I really like that this one matched the shirt dress that I already had on. But the curls on this look very, very nice. After co-washing and combing through, this was the amount of hair that shed from the unit, so it wasn't too bad. And so here I'm just giving you another styling option if you wanted to do like a half up, half down look with this headband unit. This unit is a little bit on the shorter side, so my styling options were limited, and I ended up just using a clamp to put up that top portion All right, you all, thank you so much for watching and being so supportive on my YouTube journey. If you have not already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And here are the rules for the giveaway. I want you to let me know why Black is beautiful to you. In honor of Black History Month, let's encourage one another, let's empower one another. Let me know why Black is beautiful to you in the comments. Also, make sure that you're subscribed and that you like this video. Watch it in full, guys. It really helps a lot. Thank you so much. All of the other rules will be in the description box.